Health benefits of horny goat weed review. Horny goat weed is a plant used in traditional Chinese medicine that may have as many users as it does people who snicker at its name. Known as yin yan huo to the Chinese, and to the Vietnamese, and epimedium to botanists, the flowering plant is believed to stimulate male and female hormones to improve sexual function and arousal. Health benefits. The purported health and sexual benefits of horny goat weed date back thousands of years. According to folklore, the plant's aphrodisiac qualities were discovered when a Chinese goatherd noticed increased sexual activity among his flock after they ate the plant. Horny goat weed contains chemical compounds known as phytoestrogens, which some suggest can influence both hormonal and bone health. People who attest to the power of horny goat weed's benefits use it as a complementary therapy to treat a number of health conditions, both common and serious. Horny goat weed is also thought to improve circulation by thinning the blood. It may also help symptoms of premenstrual syndrome (PMS), sharpen the memory, and boost energy. Studies into the benefits of horny goat weed have been fairly limited. Those published are primarily in vitro studies conducted in test tubes, or animal studies which are only suggestive of what might happen in humans. Among the two conditions most studied in this regard are erectile dysfunction and bone disorders. Many people refer to horny goat weed as the natural Viagra. Despite the lack of quality research, there is some evidence that horny goat weed may help men with certain types of sexual dysfunction. Horny goat weed contains a substance called icariin, which blocks a protein associated with erectile dysfunction known as phosphodiesterase type 5 (PDE5). Under normal circumstances, the body naturally suppresses PDE5 levels. In many men with erectile dysfunction, this doesn't happen. Scientists have found that icariin functions in much the same way as Viagra sildenafil by suppressing PDE5 activity. However, the action was seen to be weak even in the test tube. When compared to icariin, Viagra was as much as 80 times more potent. That's not to say horny goat weed won't improve a man's ability to attain an erection. Beyond an obvious placebo effect, the supplement may help stimulate blood flow enough to trigger a positive response in men with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. Phytoestrogens are plant-based estrogens found in horny goat weed and other plants. Because they have the ability to mimic estrogen, some people believe that phytoestrogens benefit postmenopausal women experiencing bone loss as a result of low estrogen levels. Scientists backed by a research grant from the Shanghai Municipal Health Bureau and the Hong Kong Competitive Earmarked Research Grant tested the hypothesis by treating 85 late postmenopausal women with either a placebo or a phytoestrogen supplement extracted from horny goat weed. 4 In addition, the participants were each given 300 milligrams of calcium per day. After 2 years of treatment, the researchers reported that horny goat weed extract appeared to help prevent bone loss. Bone turnover markers, the measure of how well bone is being remodeled, were significantly better in the phytoestrogen group compared to the placebo group. Moreover, horny goat weed was not associated with many of the adverse effects seen in women on oral estrogen, including endometrial hyperplasia, irregular thickening of the uterine wall. Additionally, icariin, the same substance used to treat erectile dysfunction, may help reduce cartilage degradation in people with osteoarthritis. Animal studies have suggested the suppression of PDE5 can better help retain the collagen matrix found in cartilage. While the substance doesn't reverse the damage, it may help slow the progression of arthritis and allow people to maintain their mobility. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.